What's up guys, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a detailed review of MotionGrey CloudMesh Ergonomic office chair. So we will have a look on its design, build quality, features, comfort level while performing a quick unboxing as well as the assembly process. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. MotionGrey Motion CloudMesh office chair comes in big retail box, inside which you will find all of the components and accessories of the Motion CloudMesh office chair perfectly placed in a very safe manner with good protection. Along with all of the components of the Motion CloudMesh, MotionGrey also provides all of the screws, nut, bolts, wrench in the retail box itself, so you can start assembling the chair as soon as you receive your package. The assembling of Motion CloudMesh is quite easy. It comes with very clear instruction and one single person can fully assemble the chair in just 30 minutes. MotionGrey CloudMesh office chair comes with good set of wheels, but I also received the Motion Smooth Glide rollerblade wheels for my CloudMesh chair, which are going to provide even better and smoother moving experience on Motion CloudMesh chair. Talking about the design and build quality, all of the components and parts of the body of MotionGrey CloudMesh office chair are of very nice quality. MotionGrey CloudMesh comes with a nice design that is compatible for both work and leisure. The material used are of top quality, the build quality is very solid, and the whole chair feels very steady and strong. The mesh backrest is very lightweight but still pretty solid and durable to provide a steady support to your back. The backrest provides 5 lockable reclining positions, so depending on your comfort level and activity you can adjust it based on your preference. The position of the seat can also be changed and you can move it back and forth based on your preference and comfort level, and because of this adjustable seat tilt feature, it helps you in keeping your pelvis in neutral position and promotes blood circulation. So even after sitting for hours on MotionGrey CloudMesh chair, you won't feel the fatigue usually you feel with other chairs. The headrest is also adjustable. You can adjust its position vertically based on your height and the position of your neck, and then you can also tilt it back and forth to get the best support for your neck. The handrests are also adjustable and you can move them up and down to suit your comfort level, and you can also change the horizontal angle of the armrest top. That is also very helpful for typing experience if you use the keyboard a lot while working. One very important and useful feature of MotionGrey CloudMesh chair is that it comes with an adjustable lumbar support that you can use to provide support to your back, and you can even adjust its position to get the best possible support for your back. So this is very important as it helps in maintaining a good posture while sitting on the chair and also reduces the back pain as well as the neck pain. Other than all of these, the MotionGrey CloudMesh also comes with a designated mechanism for slight backrest adjustment that you can do to get the better posture for your body to get the best possible support overall. The seat of the MotionGrey CloudMesh is very comfortable. It is soft, cushiony, and provide very nice support to your legs and thighs. The slightly curved seat base adjusts to your thighs and legs and provides very nice support for longer hours of working. And talking about the special Smooth Glide rollerblade wheels, they are just amazing and provide a super smooth movement to the chair on any kind of surface. It is especially helpful if you got thick carpet at your workplace or at home, as with the help of Smooth Glide rollerblade wheels, you can move the chair from one position to another with just a touch of finger. Overall, MotionGrey CloudMesh office chair is one of the best office chair in its price segment, considering its design, features, build quality, comfort level, and overall user experience. If you are interested in buying one, then the link and the discount code is given in the description below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.